Hey everyone, if you think growing your hair is all about using hair care products, well, you're wrong. I bet you've heard that protective styles like braids damage your hair or do more harm than good. Let me tell you my story. This is what my hair looked like when I big chop back at the end of November 2022. And this is what my hair looks like now, 1 year and 3 months later into my journey, March 2024. You be the judge of my hair growth. It's been 1 year and 3 months since I big chopped. Remember, this is where I started. And here we are now. I have 6 inches of hair growth. And I think that's great. What do you think? How did I do it? Well, when I was about 4 months into my hair care journey, I braided my hair and left it for 3 months. I saw a lot of hair growth after just 3 months, so I continued doing it. What I noticed is that by leaving my hair alone with my hair braided loosely, my hair thrived. So, I'll let you know what my hair growth looks like in September of this year as I continue to learn about my hair and figure out what it likes. If you think I'm doing a good job retaining my length, put a heart emoji into the comments. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more hair care tips. Until next time, remember, stay fabulous, stay curly, and hair obsessed. Adios.